How to enable WebGL 2.0 on Google Chrome browser. So first you want to open up your Google Chrome browser and click on the three vertical dots on the top right, and then go to Settings. And then on the left hand side you want to click on the System button. And then you want to make sure to enable this option right here which says Use Graphics Acceleration when available by turning it on from this checkbox here. And then you will need to come to the address bar here and remove the part where it says settings/system, and you want to leave Chrome colon and then // and then you want to add to it flags and then press enter. Now in the search box right here you want to type WebGL, and then you want to click on the disabled drop down here next to WebGL developer extensions, and then you want to enable it. And you can also enable WebGL draft extensions as well. And then you should simply press relaunch at the bottom right of the browser here, and this should relaunch Chrome and it will start using WebGL. And to disable it you can come back to the same address right here and set those to disabled and then click on relaunch, and this should relaunch Chrome again. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.